So today I've got the MIDA MV-2 and I'm going to do the visor removal and install for you. It's a really easy visor to do, so it's all in one motion, both sides at the same time. You're going to start with it up, so flip your visor up, and then on the side here you've got a little lever and you just want to pop that down and then leave it there. Flick to the other side, do exactly the same thing, little lever, pop that down, and then all in one motion. All you want to do is keep lifting the visor up and it pops right off. Nice and easy. So to get the visor back on, it's nice and easy. You flip it to the side and then you want to align these pins with how it came off there. It's going to go back in the same position that you took it off on, in the very top position here, so it's really tall. So once you've got the first bit in there, just hold it in, go to the other side, and then you want to do the same again there, and then a little bit of force on both sides, so you want to keep the pressure on, and then you're literally just closing the visor down. It's going to snap a little bit, but don't be worried about it. And then gosh, nice and easy. That's back in. Happy days.